Silica aerogel is an ultralight material that is created from a gel in a liquid component. It has an extremely low density and a low thermal conductivity. This low thermal conductivity makes it an excellent insulator and is commonly found in many objects, including the Mars rover, as an insulator. Silica aerogel was discovered in 1930 by the chemist Samuel S. Kistler. He was challenged by a colleague to remove all liquid from a jelly without shrinkage. About 10 years later, aerogel was first commercially marketed. However, it wasn't until 1980 until scientific uses of this material arose. As stated, silica aerogel starts as a gel. Therefore, in its production, it actually has a lot common with jello that we eat. Aerogel begins as a gel called alcohol made by polymerizing silicon oxide. The process starts by drying alcohol gels and extracting the liquid from it. The gel is then supercritically dried by heating up the gel past its solvent's critical point. Once all the liquid has been vented off as a gas, the remaining solid is a silica aerogel and the nanopores are filled with air. The following picture is the scanning electron microscope of silica aerogel. This photo is unique to silica aerogel as there are other forms of aerogel such as metal aerogel, which would also have a unique microscope photo. This video displays what aerogel is used for. As you can see, the flower is on top of a piece of aerogel and a blowtorch is heating up the bottom. Throughout the duration of the video, however, the flower is not burned. The heat cannot get through the aerogel. As seen from the previous video, aerogel is an ideal insulator. Despite retaining its solid form, it is comprised of almost entirely gases. This makes it a poor conductor of heat and therefore an excellent insulator. This video is a more extreme example of how good of an insulator aerogel is. As you can see, a red-hot nickel ball is placed on top of the aerogel. The aerogel, however, does not melt and instead retains its form. One of the most cutting-edge uses of aerogel is that it is the primary insulator for the Mars rover. The Mars rover's electronics do not perform well under extreme weather conditions. Therefore, the aerogel is used to keep it at a plus or minus of 40 degrees Celsius. Many objects today use aerogel as an insulator. Some of the most common objects include wetsuits, firefighting uniforms, and aerogel insulated windows. The commercial impact of aerogel began with Monsanto. Monsanto was the first plant to create aerogel commercially. Aerogel has seen its way as being an insulator in firefighter suits, sky flights, windows, rockets, paints, cosmetics, nuclear weapons, all using aerogel as its insulation. Aerogel, being as new and groundbreaking as it is, has earned it many records over the past few years. It either currently holds or has held the following records: highest thermal insulation value, lowest density, highest specific surface area, lowest refractive index, lowest speed of sound, and the lowest dielectric constant of any solid.